to make the half square triangles 4 at a time is I'll get one of the pattern ones, which is going to be right side up, and one of these sort of plainer ones and put it right side down, and then sew 1/4 of an inch round all the edges. As you can possibly see, I've used grey on the back and I've sewn 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And now all we do is make sure we go from one corner, to the other corner, passing through the junction where you stitched it. You can either go straight off and then go down. I just pivoted, it was easier. So make sure your corner that you pivoted, you go and cut through that and through the other side. And without moving your material, and I have done, I'm going to do the other side. Oh, and it doesn't help with the camera in front. Oh me, I've cut that one wrong. So I'm going to have to do another one. Yeah, I'm going to have to move this camera angle because this camera angle is good, but it doesn't help me when I'm cutting. So let's try this again. Right, there's my square. Make sure you cut through your corner stitches where you've pivoted or where your stitches cross over and go down. You don't want to move your material, so I've put it on my little cutting board, and I'll just turn that because I haven't got one of those lazy Susans, so I don't see the point in paying all that money out when I've got this little one. And we do it again, corner to corner on the diagonal. Make sure you go through your stitching. And there we are, your 4 pieces. And when you take them to the iron, put the pattern piece on top, press your seam to relax your stitches, and then just peel it back and open it up, and that's just one of the patterns. So I'm going to do that to all of these now. Now I've pressed all the half square triangles open, and I'm trimming off what they call the dog ears. Now you can do these with scissors or with your rotary cutter. Because I had a stroke years ago and the coordination in my right hand is absolutely rubbish, I use my scissors and put them on top of my work surface so they hold more steady. So that's all I'm doing now, is trimming off. This is the layout that I'm using.